Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I'm showing you my Fiverr profile, promoted gigs option, and this option is great for the sellers who are level 1 or level 2 and want to grow their businesses. I am today showing the power of ads that you run for any business. Okay, here you can see that for the ads that I have spent the amount of $524. Okay, I have spent this amount and I have got the sales of $5,101. Okay, so this is the power of ads. I have got it. One orders, clicks and impressions are here. Okay, so for your information, I just want to say that the ones who say that you cannot run your business for running ads again and again, you just need to target the right audience. You just need to work hard for it and you will definitely get the results. Okay, you can also achieve this number. Okay, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can also learn how to earn this much amount or more, even by doing right, by doing hard work and doing the smart work. Thank you.